Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Kumar Prajapati. Today I want to present my project which is based on Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka is a messaging tool that is used in industry to share data from one application to another application or database or any source. Here one concept comes. One is producer who produce the data, and one is subscriber who fetch or subscribe the data. Okay, suppose if you talk about Amazon, when we go to Amazon and search about home theater, then we go to Facebook, we can see that there are a lot of advertisements comes for home theater, different type of brands and qualifications, or we can say home theater come in advertisement. Then how Facebook know that I want to search home theater? Then here comes Apache Kafka, uh, Apache Kafka concept, which is used for messaging purpose. Okay. After we understand the Apache Kafka and why we use Apache Kafka, now let's to move on. It's two things. First one is Zookeeper, and second one is Kafka server. Okay, and we need to run both servers in our local system. When we work in the industry, then we no need to uh, configure this. It's completely part of admin management teams, okay, in the company. So after this run server, we go to our project, and here we can see first one is Apache Kafka producer, and second one is Apache Kafka subscriber. Suppose this is Amazon and this is Kafka server subscriber Facebook, or we can say this is our Zomato, or this is our Zomato database, or we can say this is another application, this is another application. Okay, we can say. So here you can see this is my application start class, and here I created one constant class where I can put my all constants which is required to design this or connect to server. And this is my customer entity class, and this is a service class 0. Okay, and when we talk about subscriber, there is one application properties. One is constant, one is entity, one is Kafka configuration. This is Kafka configuration to connect Kafka server with our boot application, and this is customer service. Okay, so now let's our production and subscriber application to run. So first of all, this is run, and I want to run my second subscriber. This whole application code is available on GitHub, so you can get what are the pom.file XML dependencies, what are the codes. You can all see in the GitHub repository. Okay, so this is my 4.2 project, which is subscriber, and this is my I want to change this. This is my 4.1 application, which is producer. Okay, now I want to open my this is my Postman API body where I can share the data, and this is a list of data where I can send. When we one second, when I push the send button here is in a producer application publish the messages, and this application fetch the messages. Okay, so I want to click here. See, one second, both console same application is run. So here is 4.1 message published to Kafka topic. Okay, and here is message received from Kafka. So recently this fetched the data from the application, another application. Just when you upload data or when comes data from user, it's recently fetched immediately fetch the data, and work on this data. Okay. So this is all about Kafka, little bit, not in describe. So okay.